Well, hello, it's Miss Gina. I'm back with a chapter out of our Bear and Bird book. It's The Stars and Other Stories, Jarvis. We left off on the chapter entitled The Rock. Bear and Bird were at the busy market. Bear wanted to buy a new cake for their tea party. "I'll just be a minute," said Bear. "Okay," said Bird. "I'll stay on this rock so you'll know where I am. That way we won't get lost." "Good idea," said Bear. Just then, Bird felt the rock move a little. Bear." "Don't worry," said Bear. "I'll be back soon with a delicious cake for the tea party." "Relax on the rock," said Bear. "Okay," said Bird. "I'll be on this rock. I promise I won't wander off. I'll stay on the rock." He's gonna stay on the rock. And she did. Even when it grew legs, a little head. What is that rock? What do you think it is? There's a telephone. There's Rabbit talking on the telephone. "Stay on the rock," said Bird to herself. "Stay on the rock. Stay on the rock." Says, "Mark it this way, not this way." "Hi there, Bird," said Pig. "What are you doing?" "I'm staying on the rock," said Bird. "Right," said Pig. "What's she doing?" Squirrel asked Pig. "She's staying on the rock," said Pig with a shrug of the shoulders. Is she doing a good job following directions? Did she stay on the rock? Is it a rock? "Stay on the rock, stay on the rock, stay on the rock. Mark it quite this way, stay on the rock." Did she stay on the rock? Is it a rock? Come back here, back here. Is that rock? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I can't get her attention. Oh dear, it appears that I'm a little bit absolutely completely lost. "Can we go back now, please, rock?" But the rock had gone back to being the kind of rock that doesn't go a-wandering. Bird didn't know what to do. She'd promised to stay on the rock. She didn't want to break her promise. She promised to stay on the rock. And she didn't want to break her promise. She promised. "There you are, Bird," said Bear. "Oh, Bear, I know what this looks like, but I didn't wander off," said Bird. "I stayed on the rock, but the rock grew legs and wanted to go for a swim." "How did you find me?" "Oh, I asked this rock where you had gone, and it took me straight here." "They're very clever things, rocks," said Bear. So Bear and Bird both went back to Bird's house for the tea party. Clever rock. Clever, clever rock. And the rocks were invited too. Yumma, yumma. The rocks got to go to the tea party. Yay. The stars. That'll be for next time. We'll save it. So, here's where I am today. It's a beautiful wall behind me. Some beautiful buildings. It's a whole town. There's a pharmacy and an Ace Travel. And I'm next to a rock wall. You can probably see in my glasses the buildings across the street and the trucks traveling by. They're being pretty loud today. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to read more in 2024 and grow your brain. And so you've been with Miss Gina today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.